Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Welcome back to part 2 of our topic, which is about writing polynomials in standard form under Mathematics 10. So, in here for part 2, we will be having more complex examples than part 1. We have here y equals the quantity of 2x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 5 squared. And this is what you're going to do. Let's write solution first. And then let's copy the given first. So that is y equals the quantity of 2x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 5 squared. Next is to solve first for this equation, which is the quantity of x minus 5 squared. So for this part, let us have this. The pattern is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So this will be our x, this will be our y together with their sign, okay? So our x is still x, so we have here x raised to 2 plus 2 times the quantity of x, that's x, times the quantity of y together with its sign, that's negative 5, plus y squared, so that is negative 5 squared. Then let's continue. So x squared, that is x squared y, because we have here our invisible exponent and that's 1. So 1 times 2 is 2. So that's why it is x squared. And then plus 2 times negative 5, that's negative 10. And then just copy x. Plus negative, the quantity of negative 5 squared, that is positive 25. Y, let me just expand it for you. So that is negative 5 times negative 5. So negative times negative is positive. 5 times 5 is 25. This is not yet the final answer. We have here x squared. And then positive times negative is negative. So minus 10x plus 25. So this is just when we simplify the quantity of x minus 5 squared. It will become x squared minus 10x plus 25. But we are not yet done since we have to multiply it still by 2x plus 4. So let's write it here. So we have here the quantity of 2x plus 4 times the quantity of x squared minus 10x plus 25. Let's do the distribution part. So that is 2x times x squared. So that is equal to 2x cubed. Why is it 2x cubed? Because we have here invisible 1. So we have to add the exponents. So 1 plus 2, that's 3. So 2x cubed. And then for 2x, we have to multiply it to negative 10. So that's 2 times negative 10, that's negative 20. And then for x times x, that is x squared because we have to add their exponents. So we have here 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 2x times 25. 2 times 25, that's 50. So plus 50 and then copy the variable which is x. We are not yet done because we have to multiply 4 to all of the terms inside the parentheses. Let's continue solving. So 4 times x squared, so that is positive 4x squared. And then we have here 4 times negative 10x, so that is 4 times negative 10, that is negative 40x. And then 4 times 25, that is 100. So plus 100 since their sign is positive. Then let's combine like terms, if any. So for 2x cube, we don't have any other term that has an exponent of 3. So that is still 2x cube. For 2, we have here negative 20x squared and positive 4x squared. We have to combine them. But as you can see, they differ in their signs. So the other one is positive and the other one is negative number. So therefore you have to add the number, subtract the numbers. So 20 minus 4, that is 16. And then copy x squared and then copy the sign of the larger number, and that is negative. And then that's it. Next is 50x, positive 50x minus 40x. So we have opposite signs, positive and negative. You have to subtract the numbers. 50 minus 40 is 10. Copy the variable x and then copy the sign of the larger number, that's 10. And then for 100, there's no other number that we can combine to 100. So 100 is still 100. So let's write plus 100. And this is the final answer, and it is also in standard form because as you can see in here, our exponents are arranged in decreasing order. The highest exponent is in the first term, and then the rest is in decreasing order. Always remember that our constant should be placed at the end of the terms, always the last term. I hope that you did gain knowledge about this, about complex examples of writing equations in standard form. But let us have another example. We have here y equals 11x times the quantity of x plus 5. Use distribution method. That is y equals 11x times x, that is 11x squared. Why? Because we add the exponents here. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 11x times 5, that is 11 times 5, that is positive 55, and then copy x. And that's it. This is the final answer already. And it is also in its standard form because the exponents are in decreasing order. So that's it for part 2. I hope that you have learned something today. If you have questions, clarifications, or inquiries about us, kindly message our FB page, The Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.